Welcome, this is Global Design. I'm going to teach you how I made this. I'm going to show you how I made this logo, this beautiful logo design. Okay, so here is my Corel Draw. So what I'm going to do is these are the images I'll be using for the logo. So what I'm going to do is to trace this logo out. So this is an icon. This is an icon of a baker's cap. So I'll come over to this place and paste this one here. So I'll delete this particular one. I'll come over to this place and ungroup. I'll take off this one out. So the same thing I'll do over to this place. I'll come over to this place, outline. So all these are icons of baking tools. Okay, so I'll come over here. What I'm going to select is this particular one. I'm going to ungroup it. So I will ungroup it. I'll come over to this place, select this one, I'll bring it over here, turn it like this, and I'll select this one, take it here. Okay, so this person is into food and pastry. She bakes cake, doughs, donuts, and also she makes food, fried rice and all those things. So this is representing, her logo is representing what she's doing. Okay, this shows that she's a chef. Okay, and all this should be the pastries and the donuts she does. Okay, so that is how to get an idea of any logo design you want to make. So what I'm going to do is to give this, I'm going to group this cap, Ctrl G. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to join this to make all this one, so I can give it one color. So what I'm going to do is to hold my shift, click this one, click this and this, then I'll come up to weld. This is my weld. Okay, so when I weld it, it's now one. Okay, so I can now give it my color, the color I need to give it. So I'll come over to this place, I give it yellow, then I'll come over to my interactive free tool and drag it down like this. So I'm going to give it this magenta color. Okay, so this is how I got the logo design you saw. So I'm going to bring in my text fonts, my text, my write-up. So this is the write-up I'll be using. I'll be using this write-up. Okay, so I'll bring it over to this place. So I'm going to present this into a PSD 3D logo file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is to export, Ctrl E for export, give it a name. I'll leave it on PNG and I'll click export, wait for it to load, and I'll click OK. So I'll come over to my desktop, then I'll go to my PSD file, I'll go to place, I'll come down to my file where I kept it, where I saved the file. So this is the work. I'll click place. Okay, So after I click place, I'll click enter. For me to activate this thing into a 3D logo, I will have to close this work. Okay, so when I close this work, I'll click yes. So here's our logo. Okay, this is how I got that 3D logo you saw on the screen. Okay, so whenever you want to make your logo, I've told you before, I'm just giving you concept of how to make logo. The client I made this logo for cooks food and she bakes cake and pastries. Okay, so this cap serves as a chef, shows the person is a chef, and these doughs and this donut you see over here shows she can bake cakes and pastries. So that is the idea I took and I gave it this logo design. So thank you for watching my video. Stick around, subscribe, watch my video and like my video. Okay, I have much more for you guys. Thank you.